Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like and that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today it's Spaceball Day. That's right. We got another project we're doing on Spaceball, and it's more for Mel than me. And what is it? Well, I've been salivating over this product from Advanblack when I saw the prototype down in Daytona. I mean, salivating. Poor Alan. I reached out to him and says, hey, when are these coming available? He said, soon, I hope. Well, about a week ago, they dropped it and as a new release, and I bust out the credit card and I purchased it because I wanted to get a hold of it and get it on Spaceball. And let me show you the box. We're going to do an unboxing. So this is the box. It's not a big box from Advanblack.
Oh, it's a box.
It's a box. So let's open this up.
What's behind the green door? No.
Yes, I know what it is. And if you're a regular subscriber and you watch a lot of my lives, you would know exactly what this is too, because I've talked about it and I showed it. But let's take a look. Oh, look, honey, a bag.
Yes, a bag, and here we
go.
go.
Look how nice everything is packaged.
It's very, very neatly organized.
Well, not just that, it's well protected against damaging and shipping. Because, you know, sometimes, hey, stickers. Got to have the stickers. And a stop. Scan the QR code so you know what you're doing.
Oh,
it's okay. Yeah, exactly. It's not that heavy.
Rocket science.
It's not that heavy. So yes, honey, you could have that bag. I know you like their bags.
They make it good. I wish they made garbage bags and sold them. Seriously.
So more foam to wrap things up, which is nice. Like I said, this stuff is well protected against shipping and the abuses of shipping. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I was salivating over this backrest. It reminds me of an erector set. It's made out of stainless steel. You can order this in either stainless steel or the black. I chose the black because I didn't know if I wanted to powder coat this gold or not. So I chose the black, and we're going to install the black. So this is cool. They do make it for Softails and baggers. Now, caveat for the baggers, they are not on the quick disconnect. They're a hard mount, 4 bolts mounted in, where your dock would be for your quick disconnect. So if you wanted one, just so you know off the top of your head, for your bagger, it will not work with the quick disconnect system. You would have to remove that dock and insert this. All right, let's get the bags off. All right, so we're going to pull our bags off, both sides. That's right. We're doing both sides, left and right. Okay, so the tools you're going to need for this, depending on what you have back here, but from the Advanblack bag mounts, it comes with these bolts. These are 7/32. We're going to remove all 4 of them on both sides. There's 2 on each side. And that will allow us to open these up and put in our backrest. So what I like to do is start with the front. Oh, it's over there now.
Oops.
That's okay. That will happen. Guys, these just slide in.
What is that?
This is the nut plate for your bolts on the inside. So if it falls out, just line it back up and put it back in. So what I like to do is line up one side. Let it go, honey. I got it. I got to try and line things up here.
I just don't want it to fall and scratch.
Yep, I appreciate that. I'm going to start at the front here. And it fell out.
Bollocks.
That's all right. That's okay. We could fix this. This is easy. So I'm going to just start it. I'm not tightening it. I'm going to do the same thing for the back. And then I'm going to do the other side. So again, it's loose. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm digging it. What do you guys think? As you see, it's hard mounted to the bike. No quick disconnect system. The powder coating on it's really nice. You could still get to your bolt between your seat and it's your seat bolt, so it's easy to get to. Your pad here is Velcroed on, so if you want to take this off, you want to get one powder coated, or if I want to get this powder coated, I can, which I'm still up on the fence about powder coating it to gold, or should I leave it black? You guys leave me a comment down below. You let me know. Should I powder coat it gold or should I leave it to flat black? You tell me. All I got left to do, guys, put the bags on, and when I have bags on, I'm going to show you what it looks like all together. All back together, guys. What do you think? Nice low profile, will do the job, keeping Mel safe and secure from sliding back when I get a little whiskey throttle without the whiskey. So what do you guys think? I'm over the moon with this. I love it. If you want one of these, guys, I'll link it down in the description, and also link Advanblack's website down in the description. All right, everybody, until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often, as always, ride hard.